Hi there guys. I think I just busted my router. It doesn't move anymore, it's kind of stuck. And you know, nothing ruins a day like a broken tool. I was planning to do some woodworking, but I can't do anything with this. So I'm going to see if there's something I can do to fix it. I'm not very experienced, but how difficult can it be? So what I plan to do is I just open it and see what I can find inside, and perhaps it's going to be useful for you guys if you ever encounter the same kind of misfortune. I've been using my router quite often, and actually it's my favorite tool in the shop. And until today, I did not even think about that. It kind of requires some maintenance every once in a while, because this never happened to me before, but it's quite stuck. So I think there must be sawdust and maybe some rust, who knows, inside the springs, and I need to get to them somehow. I actually already opened this box halfway through until I discovered there's a switch, so it must be some electric stuff in there. And so my next guess is to get into these springs, I probably need to get off this bottom plastic plate. So let's, oh yeah, there's something in there differently. Something in there differently. Well, that did not help me much. Oh, let me get some tools. I just noticed there's a hexagon bolt in there. And I kind of wonder what happens if I open it. I guess we'll find out very soon. I don't know if there's any parts flying away. Let's open the other one. Oh, this one is really stuck. Okay, sorry about that phone call. This is really tight, really tight. Oh, it's open. Still nothing. But there's something blocking it, and it seems there's no way getting it off from outside. Oh, maybe just... Oh, let me try this one. Let me just pull it up. I need a hammer. Yep, something is happening. There we go. All right. Now I just gotta remember which way. Uh-oh. There's something broken inside. Oh, the spring is broken. Oh, it's not? This one is different. Well, never mind about that now. I think I'm going to clean it. Just blow air first and then oil it. I also think I should probably clean these springs. Don't know if it's important or not, but I will just wipe them clean and then also put some oil. Now I want to see if there's really something broken inside the router. It's probably where the spring will... Oh, this will just hold the spring on its place. There's something loose inside. Now I suppose I need to open this anyways. See what's inside. Everything's coming out. Yes, in fact there was some. Oh, is that a piece of that spring, or is that some kind of locking mechanism? That's hard to say. Oh, I think I might have to blow this one also. Very dirty. So it's definitely not a piece of that string because it's much wider. And I can't really understand what could it be. But it seems broken. There was actually so much dust inside this router, even in the electric parts and pretty much everywhere in the motor, that it could have been a potential fire hazard. But it's now cleaned, and I suppose I can start putting it back together if I remember how. Oh, I can see there's another one of these inside this one, but I have no access to that. Oh, I need to put some more oil. See, this longer side is going to slide inside this side, opposite the one where you have all the electric parts. So in there, it's supposedly safe to put a tad of oil, just for more smoother operation. Need to make sure I get this spring into the axle. If any one of you discovers what in the world is that piece I took off, please comment. I think I'm gonna save it and put it back if it's something necessary. Oh well, what do you know? I just discovered what is that. It's a lock ring that will come in here to keep this from coming too high. Just need to find out how to put it back. Almost there. There we go. Haha, that is a very smooth operation. All right, next I tighten these bolts, and it's pretty much done. It works like a new.